This is the all-new 2013 Ford Focus ST. The Focus ST is the newest addition to the hot hatchback market. It's a completely restyled version of the already great-looking Focus, which includes this Aston Martin grille, as well as a bunch of fender flares, and this body kit that you see, as well as the spoiler on the back, and a bunch of interior styling cues as well. But by far, the coolest thing about the new Focus ST has to be its 2.5-liter turbocharged EcoBoost 4-cylinder power plant, which develops a staggering 252 horsepower, which can get this little car up to speed very quickly. And in this video, we'll get a view of the interior as well as exterior, show a bunch of the interior and exterior features, start it up, and get an exhaust clip and show off that awesome new power plant. I'd like to give a huge shout out to Crandall Ford, which is located in Park City, Utah. They were really nice to let me come out and film this all-new 2013 Ford Focus ST. And to start things off, we'll go ahead and climb on inside. This car does come equipped with Ford's Smart Key Access System, which just keeping the key fob in your pocket or on your person, you can unlock and unlock the door without having to use any of the buttons on the key fob. So you just keep it in your pocket, go to the door, you see this touch-sensitive black indentation on the door handle. See, it's locked at the moment. Just press it. It's unlocked. Close it. Wait just a few seconds. Press it. Now it's unlocked. This car is shown in a very brilliant and stunning bright yellow exterior. And it comes with the black full leather interior with Recaro racing seats. As with that Smart Key Access System, you also get a remote push-button ignition system. Just put your foot on the brake and the clutch, put it in neutral, keep the key fob on you. Here's the button, just press it to start. It's an awesome sound from that new EcoBoost engine. Get that turbo sound as well. PSI gauge up here for your turbo. Awesome. And shut it up. The ST comes with a very thick leather-wrapped steering wheel, regular leather on the top and bottom, as well as perforated leather on the sides, side bolstering grip extensions, as well as a satin silver accent with the ST logo embedded in the bottom wheel, and silver accents going around the steering wheel. The ST's only transmission option is a 6-speed manual. Reverse. Just pull up, over, and up. Go ahead and check out the new sync system by Microsoft. You got the preview Sirius XM stations. So this one doesn't have the other stations, but you do have AM and FM as well. So you got your source for the sync system. You have your power, or you got your AM, FM, as well as aux outlet. Station somewhere. Can't find a station there. See if we can get a satellite radio. So you got your so your satellite radio, and there's your sources. I just can't find a station with a reception other than this, but this just only has the preview station. This is your home. You have your sync settings right here. Travel link, which just shows you where your travels are, ski conditions, sports info. So you get your sport. You can get scores. See little swoops. I just went to weather. Shows the weather, the local weather. Sports info. So we'll go to the NBA. And you got your scores. have your apps for your phone as well. And it's just everything you need. Your settings. You got your bass, mid-range, treble, clock display, vehicle settings. And it's just all there. Control your climate control from there, which does have an automatic climate control system. Down here, fan speeds. Got your different zones, AC, front and rear defrost, as well as circulation, defrost. Here you turn your traction control off. Max AC, cold or hot, 2-zone. You got your max recycling. Good system. We'll go ahead and check out we'll go ahead and talk about the materials of the interior. It's a very sloping interior. You got this black accenting going around your controls, which is plastic, I think, but it's well put together. More plastic right here. Got plastic dash that is kind of plush, sloping. Plastic on the door right here, but it is mesh material. This is hard plastic with a silver door latch, as well as cloth insert right here. Power windows. And they are all automatic, I guess. Just usually it says auto on them, but these are automatic. You got your power mirror controls right here. General stock, front and rear windshield wipers. Get the back one to turn on. There we go. So this button right here controls the back windshield wipers. You can control settings from the steering wheel. You got your voice commands right here. Calling. You got your cruise control right here. Volume. Seek. And everything you need. You got your boost pressure gauge up here. So it's oil pressure.
This is your Sirius XM program guide. Here's what's in the pop music category. Sirius XM Hits 1 on Channel 2 has the morning mashup and today's hit music. Channel 3 is 20 on 20.
Any mirror.
Non-stop countdown of today's top 20 hits.
Have your sunroof right here.
Channel 4 has music from the 1940s. The big bands of Glenn Miller and Tommy Dorsey, and the classics like Dinah Shore and Bing Crosby.
Everything you need. Sunglass holder. Easy to use vents. Got to go.
Channel 6, it's the pop hits of the 1960s, featuring the legend
Power outlet. Leather stitched console with your 2 USB ports, aux port as well, and your navigation card, SD card. You got your 12-volt power outlet, like I said earlier, I think. And you do have your 5-stage heated seats for the driver and passenger. Turn your passenger airbag off. That's the monitor for that. Got your map lights up here. So it's a very nice interior on this Focus ST. So now we'll go ahead and turn on the headlights. Does have automatic lights, as well as the hazards. These buttons down here just to tell you control the brightness of the interior lighting. Go ahead and check out the outside. The ST styling is very cool. Got an Aston Martin style front grille, red ST logo, Ford logo right in the center. You got your high intensity discharge headlamps, 5-spoke alloy wheels. There's a full body kit. Check out the back seat in just a second. Rear spoiler. dual exhaust. Opens up really high. You have a big cargo area. Overall, a very nice vehicle. Now, let's go ahead and see how it sounds. Like I said, the ST comes with a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder with a turbocharger. It's an EcoBoost engine. Produces 252 horsepower, and I think about 260 pounds-foot of torque. It is front-wheel drive with a limited slip differential. Handles very well, and it achieves. Let's see what kind of miles per gallon it achieves. 26 city, 32 highway, which isn't bad for a sports car vehicle like this. 0 to 60 time is about 6 seconds. Top speed's about 140 miles an hour, I believe. So all around, very cool, awesome vehicle. Now we'll go ahead and wrap it up. Go ahead and shut it down. Go ahead and check out the rest of the vehicle. Go and move the front seat up just a little bit so I can get in the back, which it is power. Audio. You got your lights back here. There's your 12-volt power outlet. It's a full leather seat. You do have your cup holders. Sloping doors. And it's the same materials as the front, except this one doesn't have the silver accents coming down here. And your power windows back here too. Very cool vehicle. Go ahead and open up the trunk again really quickly. Should open it. You can open it from the remote. Opens up very high, so you can get stuff in there. It's also a big trunk, and the seats do fold down. Awesome. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this full in-depth tour of the 2013 Ford Focus ST. Sure to stay tuned all the time, subscribe. A lot more videos where that came from. See you later, everybody.